Hello, this is LKC. I'm here to present my project report from Managing Software Development Assessment 3. So we had a project which we had to build a camera motion sensor system application for mobile. So we had a team of 3 people, Lokendra, myself, and Hakan and Pawan. So we used different channels of communication just to communicate and work together. So WhatsApp for general communication, Zoom for just to communicate and work together, sharing our gadgets, and Jira and Confluence specifically just to work and collaborate on the project. So basically, we used Jira to create backlogs. And Jira itself, it is a bug tracking tool that allows software developers to plan, track, and work faster. It's a kind of a main source of information for future software releases. So Confluence, we used it for sharing the other collaboration and team tracking, which we could work together. So it's a dynamic base where it gives your team a place to create, capture, and collaborate or any project or idea. So we used agile project management process, where we use Scrum meetings, Scrum scripts, containerization or Docker or cloud service, project review, and closing. So Scrum meetings, we use 4 stages of meetings or 4 meetings. First one, we had to identify the client's requirements and our process, and we had to plan for the development process. And second one, we had to go through the execution of the first plan and make sure we are on the right track. And third one, on the third sprint, basically on the second sprint, we had to make sure each team member reports their progress, and any changes to the sprint backlog are discussed. So third meeting, we had to complete the task for the sprint or feedback from the stakeholders. And the fourth one, we had to make sure if there is any improvement needed, we had to make sure they have been fixed. So sprints, on the sprints stage, we created numbers of sprints, like sprints 1 on, turn off the motion while at home, sensibility of the motion detector, receive alerts, remotely access, grant access, and etc. And sprint 2, we used app settings, cost effectives, provide help menu on the app, user-friendly interface, and few others features like that. So, and on the Docker and container cloud service stage, we had to make sure we're using the Docker properly. And it's like a Docker or containerization means it entails placing a software component in its environment where dependencies or configuration into an isolated until its container. So it makes possible to deploy an application consistently on any computing environment, whether on premises or cloud-based. So Docker is a software platform that allows you to build, test, and deploy applications quickly. And Docker packages software into standardized units called containers that have everything the software needs to run, including libraries, system tools, code, and runtime. And at last, we had to go back and review the project and process, like if it has been done accordingly to the plan, and then according to the requirement of the customer or client. And we did that together. Then we successfully done with the project, and we closed our project, and we collected the feedback we provided to test to the client, and collected feedback. Thank you.